Nirmal Thakur joined STAD Solution for manual and automation software testing training and got placed at Artun Solutions. Let's hear from him.
Myself Nirmal Thakkar, and currently I belong from Bhuj, Kutch, Gujarat. I have completed my studies in computer science and engineering, that is BTech in CSC from 2020. In 2020 year, that is COVID year unfortunately. And after that I was looking for a job, and I had a job experience of almost 2 years, we can say, as an analyst. I was working as an analyst in Pune, and after that I want to switch my career into the particular testing field. So I was looking around for one of the best particular institute which I can get a full from scratch 0 to 100 full training, for which I have chosen the STAD solution Ahmedabad. I have learned about the many things here about the manual testing. I would like to say that BRD, FRD, test cases, test plan, test scenarios, and which can get bug report also, traceability metrics also. So I have learned a very much great knowledge of manual testing, and especially if I have any doubts or queries, then here the faculties are also very supportive and very much helpful, and whatever confusions or whatever doubts you have, they are very ready to help us whatever and whichever manner we are required to have. And after that I have also got placed in the Ahmedabad itself, and I have got placed into Artun Solutions Ahmedabad, and I have been placed as a QA game tester over there. When STAT solution is very much in a great manner or in a great organized structure, and it is a great solution which I would recommend, that they are providing a good knowledge of manual and automation testing. So who want to start their journey of testing and to grow their career in their career, they can definitely visit here. Thank you.